going to discuss using the definition of dot product of two vectors. That will be equal to dot product of two vectors, that will be magnitude of A and magnitude of B cos theta, that is equation number 1. And similarly, you will have to use the cross product of two vectors will be equal to magnitude of A and magnitude of B. I am not going to draw the figure because there will be the different figures multiplied by unit vector. But you take the magnitude of on both the sides of both the vectors. Cross B will be equal to magnitude of A will be same thing, magnitude of B, and magnitude of sin theta will also be same thing, magnitude of unit vector it will be equal to 1. That is why its value is magnitude of A and magnitude of B sin theta. It is equation number 2. Most important result I am going to tell you, but because generally the question asks from 1 and 2, you take the left hand side. Taking the left hand side of the result, that is dot product of two vectors plus magnitude of A cross B square, that is the square here, and it will be equal to, you use the value of it, that is what? Magnitude of A, magnitude of B cos square theta. It's square also because square is there, you see, and plus substitute the value of magnitude A cross B and its square is also there. Okay, the magnitude of A square and magnitude of B square and sin square theta. My dear student, you take the common out of it, magnitude of A square and magnitude of B square. What will be inside the bracket? My cos square theta and sin square theta. Its value is 1. Magnitude of A square and magnitude of B square. Square plus magnitude of cross product of two vectors square will be equal to magnitude of A square and magnitude of B square. Okay, its value is what? 12 square. 12 square plus magnitude of A cross B, that is you will have to find out. Square, magnitude of A 10 square and 2 square, magnitude of B. It will be 144, my dear student, you see, plus magnitude of A into magnitude of B square, 100 into 4. That will be 400 and minus 144. 144. That will be equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B square. Okay, that is 256. Magnitude of A into magnitude of B square. You take its square root, 256. 256 magnitude of A into magnitude of B. It will be 14. My dear student, that will be positive value because magnitude, that is always positive value.